Hello learners, welcome to Cash Education. In this video, we look at the pie chart basics in Microsoft Excel. Now, pie chart is used to represent category-wise data. It is used for minimal amount of data. It cannot be used for multiple series data also. So, let's go ahead and see. First, let's go to an Excel sheet. Okay, and here I have my dummy data. So, I have used different industries and their performances. One should also not forget that if you have your data in the form of percentages, then pie chart is a good way to represent it. Okay, so how do you go about this? You select the whole data. Okay, go to insert, and here you have your charts group. There are all different kinds of charts here. This circular one here is your pie chart. So you click on the arrow and you can choose what different chart you want. So you have a 2D type chart, a 3D type chart, and a donut type chart. Let's go for the basic 2D type chart, and my chart is ready just in the form of a click. Okay, now there are many customizations that I can do with it. Okay, so the first thing that I'll do is I'll select this, the legend, and delete it. I do not want it. I will use now different chart elements. And how do we access chart elements? By using the plus sign. So I'm going to click on plus, and you see that I have removed the legends, and therefore legends is not clicked here. We go to data labels and click on this arrow here, and then we'll go to more options. Now another pop-up window opens, and this is the beauty about it. Here you can include what you want inside these small pie or the pieces that have been formed here. So I'll click on category name. So when I click on category name, you see that I have already got that this pie shape represents what category, along with how much percentage of that category has contributed to the whole industry performances. You can change the position. So I've chosen the best fit. You can use it on the outside end, inside end, center. So let's go for the best fit only. Okay. And this seems fair for me. And I will close this pop-up box. And I'm pretty happy with this. Okay. Now if you want, you can change the way the font is of these data labels. So go to home. I'll make it appear black. Make it appear bold. Okay. So it's nicely visible. I will also increase the size this way. Okay. So this is what I have so far. Now some customization that I can do. Again, double click on this chart right here. Then click one of the pie. So when you click a pie, you will have these format data series, and you will have three options here. Go to the series options. Okay. In this series option, you have two things available. First is your angle of first slice. Now see, as I keep on increasing the angle, you see that the pie is rotating, or the chart is rotating. So this allows you to have different perspective or different orientation of the same pie chart. As I'm going around, it's changing. Okay, let's bring that back to 0. Now, pie explosion. Just look what happens when I increase it. The moment I increase it, you see that the pieces are cutting out of the entire structure. So you can separate out and focus on each pie piece that you have. Okay, you can decrease it also. You may want to increase it as much as possible. Okay, let's keep it to 0 for now. So this is the very simple part of using it. Now, let's see something else that we can do with this pie chart. You see the small funnel-like figure here, object here. It's an inverted funnel, and this represents the filters that you can use. Click on it, and here you see a small pop-up is here, opened. Okay. Now, it is allowing me to segregate what categories I want to see or what I want to present in front of the audience. See, now I have all the pie pieces presentation. Now, I want to remove clothing, or I do not want to show clothing. So I click on the checkbox and the tick disappears. Similarly, I click on the checkbox for electronic and the tick disappears. I do not want these two to show to my audience. And then I click on apply. So you see that the two of them, clothing and electronics, have been eliminated. Okay. If I click them back again, check them back again, click on apply, and they have appeared again. In this way, you can choose to select what kind of data or what different pie objects or categories you want to represent and present in front of your audience. Okay, so for now we'll keep all okay, and this is the most simplest form of it. Give it a try. You can use this dummy data. Let me know how it works out for you. If you like this video, give this a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. See you again next time.